Hello everyone, this is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research here at FXPRIMUS, bringing you my North American opening market comment for August 29th. It's been a quiet day in Europe so far, what with the UK on holiday. The dollar has generally continued its rally except against the yen, where a bit of profit-taking is set in. But aside from the euro, pound, and yen, movements are quite limited. The U.S. data today consists of the personal income and expenditure data for July. The forecast 0.4% month-on-month rise in U.S. personal income is relatively strong and should be well received, but personal spending is forecast to show some deceleration from the previous 2 months, as you can see on the graph. As part of the personal income and spending release, the U.S. also announces every month the personal consumption expenditure, or PCE deflator, and the core PCE deflator, which just eliminates the volatile food and energy costs. For an explanation of the difference between the PCE and the personal consumption expenditure deflator and the more widely known consumer price index, or CPI, please see the FX glossary section of our website, which has a detailed explanation. In any case, today's PCE data is expected to show a slowing in inflation in the U.S. That, combined with a weaker spending, could prove negative for the dollar later on. Then overnight, Australia is going to announce its building approvals. These are expected to be up on a month-on-month basis, but not enough to push the year-on-year rate higher. In fact, they're expected to fall even faster than the previous month on a year-on-year basis. There are a number of Australian indicators coming out this week, in addition to the building approvals, including private sector credit, capital expenditure, and retail sales. These will all be closely watched ahead of next week's Reserve Bank of Australia meeting, where the market expects no change in rates. So a weak building approvals figure tonight could increase the possibility of a cut next week, and therefore might be negative for the Australian dollar. This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research at FXPRIMUS. Get more market insights on our education pages and turn your trading ideas into action with FXPRIMUS, the safest place to trade.